In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a TikTok gift card. Think of this as topping up your TikTok balance with coins, which you can later use to send gifts during live streams or support your favorite creators. I'll guide you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to tiktok.com/coin. Make sure you're on the official TikTok website before moving forward. This page is TikTok's secure checkout for purchasing coins, and you'll see available packages displayed with prices based on your location. Next, log into your TikTok account. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on the coin page with your username visible. If not, use your usual login method. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account so the coins go to the right wallet. Now, choose the coin package that fits your needs. Packages vary in size and price, and some may offer slightly better value at higher tiers. Consider how many gifts you plan to send, and pick a package that matches your budget. Remember, you can always come back and add more later, so there's no pressure to overbuy. Click Recharge to proceed. This button takes you to the payment flow, where you'll see the payment methods available in your region. Options can vary by country, but the process is similar no matter which one you select. Enter your payment details carefully. Make sure the information matches your billing details to avoid processing issues. Keep an eye on any taxes or fees shown on the summary screen so you know the final total before you move on. Only enter details on the official, secure checkout. Never share sensitive information in messages or pop-ups. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment. This is your final review to ensure you selected the right package and account. After you confirm, the payment will process. It usually takes just a moment. Once the payment completes, your coins appear in your TikTok wallet. You should see your updated balance right on the coin page. If it doesn't update instantly, give it a few seconds and refresh the page. Those coins are now ready to use whenever you're watching streams or sending gifts. That's it. Simple and secure. You've gone to tiktok.com/coin, logged in, picked a package, clicked recharge, entered your payment details, confirmed, and watched your wallet balance increase. Enjoy using your new coins to support creators and make your TikTok experience more interactive.